Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing some silver from Provident Metals. And I finally, after 2 weeks, received my package. Alright, to be honest with you, I forgot what's in there because it's been 2 weeks. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media, Urban Lifestyle 1989. Don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. Alright, so I have my blade right here. I'm gonna cut this in an unusual way. Let's see. Right there. Almost got it open. I cut the paper. And then it's a package within a package. This beautiful package right here is not really beautiful, it's just an envelope. So you guys know I love to buy silver. One of my favorite, these are like my favorite kinds of videos to make. So everything is out. So this purchase was about 105. Right here, all in total, 105. Let's see what I got for 105. So I see here I got some copper as well. The World of Dragons copper. Very beautiful right there. Oh man, that's beast. Now, I do love buying copper. I do love buying copper. Let's see how much I purchased this for. Let me see. 155, $1.55, but it's beautiful. Now I know some people may be like, oh man, that's expensive, especially for copper. I'm just buying this because I like it, you know. I like to buy what I like. And I saw this design and I was like, oh man, it's beautiful. I have to have it. So the World of Dragon series just came out, and I think that's why it took so long, because I pre-ordered it. But it looks so beautiful. This is cool. Let's see what else. I think I purchased the World of Dragons as well for the silver kind. Yep. There it goes. The World of Dragon in silver. Beautiful right there. Oh man, you guys. I love this. See the designs right there. The dragon eye. Real nice. So what else do I have here? I have the buffalo. You guys are familiar with this one, the buffalo right there. Oh yeah, let me see. Does it have a year on there? 1 ounce. No year. Very cool. And then I got me some prospector. I got 2 buffaloes, matter of fact. 2 buffaloes, and I have me 2 prospector rounds. I don't know why I got these. I just wanted them for some reason. I'm not too sure why. So I could take it out. The design on here is very flawless. I just like it. And the back as well. Very beautiful. You can see like a country town, like the old school westerns, like Clint Eastwood type country or whatever.
Kinds of people, my friend. Those with loaded guns, and those who dig.
But I love it. It's very beautiful. And then last but not least, I have me the Year of the Boar. Very beautiful. Now look at this design right here. Very beautiful. The Chinese symbol, which I have no idea what that it says, but it is the Year of the Boar. Maybe that's what it says in Chinese. I'm not sure. Or is it Japanese? Very beautiful. Like, the design on there. Look at that. Like ferocious. Like if I seen a pig like this in real life, I'd be scared. Honey, I'll be real scared. But that's pretty much all I received. So in recaps, I have 2 prospector rounds. I have the Year of the Boar right here. I have 2 buffaloes, and then I have the Year of the Dragons. 1 silver, 1 copper. Very beautiful here. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram. I'm gonna have detailed pictures of these on there. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, make sure you follow me on there as soon as possible. This is where you get some giveaways as well. Very beautiful. All these is going to be on here so you guys can get a very good in-depth look of these coins right here. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are, and have a wonderful day.